Is this also the swamp I wanted to go? I think it was. I'm a little bit excited about the battle axe. I haven't used it in a while. Need to find a spawner and then spawn a couple of the big boys. What are they called again? Brutes. Weide Weibe. Weidheim. Weibheim? Fizzle is good. Still need this anyway. Whoa! There's a dungeon here. Do I need dungeon? No, I don't think so. I have enough ectoplasm. If it turns out that we need more of the plasm, then we'll farm it later. But for now, we have done enough dungeons. Blueberry! Floop floop. Where are thou, spawnerman? Oh, over there I see. Gotta get rid of the skellies. I heard a noise that I don't recognize. This is a bear. Oh, it's a trolley man. Oh, there's a big brute. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Dying would be not ideal right now. Being perfectly honest. Okay, that's good. Oh, 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 oh. You know what, I'm gonna chuck a potion. I'll never need these anyway.